Alright, so welcome to my channel, Annie's Boss Ladypreneur, coming at you 2018, so therefore Happy New Year. So my first video for 2018 and week 2 of January. So here we go, we are going to be talking about today our financial goal setting and planning. So let's get it.
People hate and say we changed and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Say congratulations.
Alright, so we are going to look at our income goals and goals for 2018. So here we go. Here we have a lovely spreadsheet of wonder and brilliance. So here we've got the income goals for 2018. So what I've done right here is I have a yearly income goal of $200,000. And what I've done here is I've broken it down. So basically the recommendation that I have is put it in writing, whether it be on a piece of paper or actually into a spreadsheet. So you've got it in front of you. Put it up around you, make it available to yourself visually so that you can keep looking back to it and maintaining that focus. So here we go, yearly income, $200,000. Broken that down into a monthly amount, so divided that by 12, getting us $16,666. Weekly income of $4,166, broken that down to a daily income of 595. See, from that 200 through to that 595.24 per day, it starts to make it a lot more achievable. So if you've got a number, maybe it's 100 grand, maybe you're just beginning, and maybe 2018 you want to ramp it up, this is how you do it. So you've got 200,000, taking that 200,000 down to 595 per day. Now does that sound a little bit more achievable? I'd say yes. Now how would we achieve that? So what we've got to look at is our products or our catalogue, so to speak. Catalogue of goods, catalogues of products that you may sell or are already selling or want to sell in 2018. So what I've basically done here is you can see product 1. So I'm putting it in Shopify, so it's on my Shopify store. I've got a retail value of $29.95 for this product number 1. And cost of goods, COGS plus the conversion cost, so that's for my advert, say for instance in Facebook, and I put those costs together. So the revenue from that is $21, and I've done that for product 1, product 2, and product 3, so you'll see. Okay, so we are back and we're coming over here to the daily action plan. So basically once you've set your income goals for the year, the month, the week, the day, then we go into now how we're going to achieve those sales, product catalogues and total income. So here we are at our daily action planning page, and what I like to do is I like to ask this question: what is the one thing that I can do that will make all other things unnecessary? Okay, so I'll say that again. What is the one thing that you can do that will make all other things unnecessary? So each day you should get up and put this question in the front of your mind. Ask yourself, in every area of your life or what you want to do for the day, what is the one thing that I can do that will make all other things unnecessary? So here we go. My example for what I would need to do to achieve those goals, those income goals, is to sell and make sales. So then I would ask, what is it that I need to do to make sales today? So let's say it's not every day, but today. So Shopify store sales is what I've actually focused on for this example. So first off, we need to have an attractive product or products for our audience or my audience in my store. So attractive products for my audience in my store. I need to have done the product research, or I need to do the product research. I need to, once I've found the product, import the product, do the descriptions up to standard. So when I talk about standard, full and thorough, and then go through and create the advert copy, the advert creative, so whether it be that we're using a video or pictures or slides, and then place on the Facebook page or IG influencer selected and negotiated. So if you're using IG influencers, once you've selected them, and negotiated a price, then giving them the advert copy, the video creative of your choice. So creating that and then giving it to them. And if you're doing this in Facebook, create your target audience and create the advert campaign. So really brief, but if we're looking at sales as our one thing that makes everything unnecessary, then this is what we would focus on to create that income goal. See how they interrelate? So now once you've done that, you can also use this whole daily action plan and this one thing that you can do that will make all other things unnecessary. Use the same question for any other areas in your life. So you might be looking at your personal life, your health goals, your personal fitness goals, relationship goals, any area. All you do is you apply this one question: what is the one thing that I can do that will make all other things unnecessary? And what it does is it clears your mind. See, and she said it for us right there. Reiterating it is, what is the one thing that you can do that will make all things unnecessary? Other things. So it really focuses your mind, creates a pinpoint objective, and then you achieve and become more focused each and every day. So if you want to know more about this method, the one thing, it's a book that actually has helped me to be more focused, and I'll put the link down below so you can find that book. And again, just step it out. So write it down in the morning. What is the one thing that I can do that will make all other things unnecessary? So it creates a effect, a domino effect. That one big thing can then cause the landslide of your sales and income, going through these steps and reiterating, going back to our income goals. That is a very, very clear step-by-step plan as to how to achieve your major income goal for 2018. So I hope this has been really helpful for you. If you need any more videos just like this, or leave me a comment below. If you want to actually see how to create a Facebook ad, check out my 2 previous videos. How to use Facebook audiences, part 1 and part 2, and those will help you create that final step if you are looking at Facebook as your advert campaign, target audiences. If you're looking at that as being your platform for sales, then have a look at those 2 previous videos of mine. They'll also be in the links below, and the book about how to actually plan out your day and make all other things unnecessary and focus on the one big thing that will help you achieve your goals in 2018, focusing on our income goals, for example, along with our catalogue, how to actually sell, convert, create the revenue, and look at how many daily sales you need to achieve your income goal for the year. So as I say, check out the 2 videos that I have in the links below. Check out the video for my Facebook hacks and target audiences. 2 previous videos if you need help with the Facebook advertising. Check those out, and remember, hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, and remember, I've got your back. Lady Boss Entrepreneur, Anise Walker. Thanks for stopping by. Let's do this again.